right. Good morning, good afternoon. Hope you're having a good day. Let's talk about our quiz that's coming up this week. Our first quiz in Chapter 9, our only quiz in Chapter 9. But our first assessment we'll have two. Okay. Let's talk to it. So you'll definitely see special right triangles. And what I mean, the type of triangles I'm talking about, you'll see the 45, 45, 90, 30, 60, 90 triangles. You will see probably about two of each of those, okay, similar to what you see here in your review. All right. These questions are fair game. All right, something like anything like 1 through 10. Okay. I would say 1 through 5, two of those, 6 through 10, two of those. All right, you'll also see Pythagorean theorem. You'll have some Pythagorean theorem problems. All right, now realize that this quiz is all about right triangles, all about solving right triangles, all about right triangles. Hopefully, we should recognize that. Recognize that by now. Okay. So we'll see the Pythagorean theorem. How many problems of those you'll see? I don't know. Maybe two, maybe one. All right. Anything like this 14 is fair game. Okay. There could be a couple with the triple in there. You know, one of the triples like 8, 15, 17, 3, 4, 5, 7, 24, 5. But if you use the Pythagorean theorem, you'll be able to figure it out as well. Okay. You will see problems like this. Problem like number 12. Okay, altitude on hypotenuse. We call it altitude on hypotenuse. All right, remember, those are the problems that we're looking at. We have to decide whether they're small, medium, or large triangles, and then we want to create a proportion. If you're confused on those, make sure to go watch the videos on the review. Okay. Another thing you'll see is you're probably going to see a question like this, like number 11, a word problem. You'll have to use the Pythag. Okay. My biggest recommendation to you when doing that type of problem would be to drop a picture somewhere in your on a piece of notebook, on a piece of scratch paper that you're working on. Okay. You'll definitely see that. All right. And lastly, you'll see something like number 15. All right, where we have to find the perimeter of a shape using special right triangles. Now, make sure to watch a video on this explanation. All right. Remember, you don't when you're talking about perimeter, you include the distance all the way around the shape. You don't include anything on the inside. It's a common mistake that people make. You won't see something like 15b, that's for sure. All the way around the shape, okay, on the outside, nothing on the inside. It's a very common mistake. Honestly, it's a pretty short quiz. I think it'll be roughly about 10 questions, 10 to 12 questions. It's a lot of solving. I would make sure you understand your special right triangles. If you don't, come seek help. Find Mr. Wilhelm or myself. Find us. Email us. All right. I have time to meet. Okay. I am free 2, 5, and 8. All right. Excuse me. Okay. But seriously, I would make sure, definitely make sure you're studying for this quiz. You're studying for this quiz. It can be challenging sometimes for some people. Okay. So all right. Make sure you know your special right triangles. All right. Make sure you know your special right triangles. All right. What are our special right triangles? 45, 45, 90 triangle. Make sure you know your rules for this. 45, 45, 90, you have A, and A root 2. That's the rule. 30, 60, 90. A root 3 and 2a. Have these handy. Okay, have these handy, these general cases. Also, your Pythagorean theorem. Don't forget, remember a squared plus b. Remember, c is the most important part. That's our hypotenuse. All right, that's what we care about the most. Okay, a and b are interchangeable. All right. Have these two things handy for yourself. Okay? It's more important that you know how to use them. All right, then you memorize what they are. Okay. If we were in the building, I'd probably draw these on the whiteboard. But other than that, the course is pretty straightforward. All right, pretty straightforward in the sense that it's not gonna be terribly long. All right, it's not gonna be terribly long. Okay, I think we'll be able to handle it as long as you make sure you study. I mean that'll be a big thing for you. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Let one of us know. All right. Have a great rest of your day.